Magandang morning mga kabaliwan! Welcome to another Day 1 motorcycle project build video. For those who follow this build till the end of the project, thank you so much. More builds to come. I am still waiting for my next bike to arrive and start modifying it. And if you are new to this channel, hi, this is Aries Arriesgado. This channel is all about making or building creative projects. If you are the type of person who loves to learn different skills, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button for me. Thank you for your support. Now, we continue the story of my Yamaha Scrambler bike. Magandang morning sa inyo lahat mga kabaliwan! Last week, I was planning to make me my own motorcycle tank bags. It's not a saddle bags, but it's a motorcycle tank bags. And since you guys suggested that I'm going to paint my motorcycle or change the color of my bike, yes, I did change the color already. And just in case for those who didn't watch the video, check the link in the description down below. Okay, so going back to this motorcycle tank bag, I saw this guy making a motorcycle tank bag. Okay, so to cut the long story short, I messaged him, he sent me the item, and now I'm going to unbox it right here, right now. Let's go! So instead, in making my own tank bag, I decided to support people who are earning money, ethical, legal, and morally. So let's see how it looks like. Here we go. Ginagawa nito dito. Wow, awesome. Wow. So this is the tank bag. Okay. It looks good. The stitching is nicely done, but it's not actually 100% leather. It's synthetic leather. So it's good if you don't want to maintain any a leather when it comes to rain or the sun, because if you have real leathers, you have to to put some conditioner or protection. But here, yeah, it's for me, it's okay. It's nicely done. Okay, free stickers. Okay, the name of the maker, the name of the shop is Baluting Pandigma. Okay, Baluting Pandigma meaning baluti meaning armor, and then digma meaning war. So pandigma meaning for war. So it's armor for war. Okay? So baluting pandigma. Okay, guys, thank you for this amazing work. So more power to you, and thank you for the free stickers. Baluting pandigma. So right now I am here in my office, and when I get home, I'm going to fit this on my motorcycle. I'm so excited. Yahoo! So I'm going to ride the bike and I'm going to observe how the bags will react against the wind, because I'm not sure how they will move, but I'm not going to put any tools inside the bags so that we will see how they react. So let's go. So the bags are doing well without any tools inside the bags. And they are, well, as you can see, they are steady, just hanging right there. So it's nicely done. Thank you.